In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Google Maps location offline from your mobile. So the first thing we're going to do is just head over to the Google Maps application, and then you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand side of the screen. From here, click on Offline Maps and click on Select Your Own Map. Now from here, just move the screen to the area that you want to download. Now you can zoom in and out of the map to download a larger area. Just bear in mind that the larger the map surface, the bigger the download space on your phone. So let's say this is the map that I wanted to download so we can use it offline. Click on the download button and then just wait a few moments while that goes ahead and downloads to your device. Once it's finished downloading, what we can do is set our mobile phone to airplane mode, and what that's going to do is disable any Wi-Fi or network connections. And now if I head back over to the main maps page, you can see that you can now use the Google Maps as you would usually, and you'll be able to find areas and set directions to specific locations just like you would if it was online. Now in order to save an area on your maps, just scroll in like so, and you need to locate the area that you want to save. So let's say for example I wanted to save this Royal Mail post box. What you would need to do is just hold down your finger on the area that you want to save. Once this has created a red pin, we can click on the save button, and then you can either add this to a new list or save this to a list that already exists. So I'm just going to be saving this to my favorites and to want to go list, and then click on done. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you save Google Maps locations offline. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.